Hi, this is Jason, and in this video I wanted to introduce to you a solution that I've been using now for a little while. I really like for creating graphics for your websites, for your social media, for your Facebook ads, all of that kind of stuff. As a creative entrepreneur, a coach, a consultant, anyone who's running their own small business online who tends to do things for themselves rather than outsource, this is going to be such a big help for you. So let's just have a quick look at it right here. So what it does is it enables you to create graphics. I'm not going to say that it's just another Canva, because it's actually a lot slicker, easier to use and cheaper than Canva. But you've got loads of different templates for banners and designs that you can use. Loads and loads of stock photos ready to go that you can just drag straight in. And I'm going to give you a quick demo of how it all works in a minute and show you how I've used it to help promote my business. And then you've got icons. You've got the ability to remove backgrounds from your photos, really useful. And what I've found is over time, I've been using Photoshop for years, and I've tried to kind of move away from it and just simplify things by having a nice online system I can use from anywhere. And this really has closed the gap there and enabled me to do that, because you can upload SVG files, so vector graphics, and you can adjust them in this platform too, which used to be, quite difficult to find things that would do that online. And it's got a bit of everything, but it really helps you make some great graphics. You can resize everything, so you get a banner just right for, say, Facebook, click resize, and now it's perfect for Twitter or LinkedIn and so on. So it's a really good tool. So let's just jump in a minute and I'll show you how it all works. So this was let's just go to the main dashboard area here. So you can select from a design. So first thing, right, I've got to design a Facebook post. Okay, so you can click on there to just filter out these ready-made designs for that. And then you can see all of these different ones here. You've got Pinterest, LinkedIn, so very social media focused graphics here, blog, featured image, SoundCloud, and they've got just about everything you can think of that you would need to create graphics for, like an email header, an ebook cover, Amazon Kindle even, and all kinds of different things, Etsy and so on. So a really great range there. But let's just go with a good old-fashioned Facebook post. And now it's going to bring up all of these templates here that you can quickly adjust to make look ideal for your own brand. And it's just about the layout, really. You might look at that and go, yeah, I can picture my brand in there. I can swap that out for a tree or something, depending on what you're doing. And it just saves you that time to design and come up with, where everything should be and the different fonts and all of that stuff there like that. So like there's one that looks really cool. Looks like it could be, say, a free ebook download or something like that. So we just click on it. And you can actually set up, I think this might just be for the pro version, which is dirt cheap, by the way. It's like $9.99 a month or something. Really well worth it. My affiliate link is in this post if you want to do me a favor and click and sign up for this through that. But let me just show you how good it is. So you can brandify. So let's take this banner here that I want as a Facebook post. I've already put in my own color scheme, my own logo and everything. And then I can just click brandify, and then it will start to kind of go through and change things around. And then you can adjust the colors of everything that you want. You can see here, let's just make that like a darker color there. There we go. You can use this color dropper right here if you want to start, picking a color of something on the screen. That's fine. We can do that. In fact, let's just do that. There you go, just to show you. And you can then just move your logo, which is already on here. There it is. Let me just grab the logo there and then just drop it wherever you want. We'll just delete that one off. And then anything that you're clicking on that you don't want moving around, you just click the padlock there, and that's now locked. And there we go. And then this picture in the background, we'll just unlock that. There we go. Let's get that up there like that. Lock and unlock. Have to figure out how to do that. Let me just take a quick look here. Lock, control, and Apple 2. Control Apple 2. I'm guessing it allows you to unlock the same way. Let me have a look. Or we'll just grab this image. Let me just put let's have a look through Unsplash, and we'll type in something like, let's have a look, business, just as a general thing here. So there's like a boardroom picture. Let's just put that there instead of the other picture, like that. And then we've got layers, so we can control the layer of this and where it appears. So I'm going to move it right to the back. So I've just sent that to the back, and then we want to move it a little bit more forward because there we go. Let's just bring that forward. There we go. Now it's over the top of the other one. And then we can colorize this. We can change the opacity of this if we want to. We can do all kinds of different things with these little selector tools here, like add a border, add a shadow. We can control the alignment and everything. And done. Really, really, really simple. And then over here, we've got text, so we can add in pre-formatted text and everything if you want to just drag this over. Any of these are all done for you. Sub lines there and body text there. You've got illustrations that you can use and just drag over, and these are all vector, so you can stretch them out and it won't ruin the image. So it's really, really flexible. And if I just click unlock all images there, or all things, you can look at image filters if you want to make this kind of black and white like that. You can do all kinds of different filters on the images. If we just put that as normal for a second, there we go. And then there's another option there as well. You can adjust the brightness, the contrast and everything. So I might turn the brightness down there a little bit just to make the image pop, or the logo pop just there, like that. And then any of these you can just drag on here. You know, if you want a picture of a computer screen, anything like that, just put it straight on. So really, really good and easy, quick drag and drop. And then you can put them into mock-ups as well. So things like the classic screen there, you know, you can put the screen there like that, and then you can upload any picture you want into that picture there right in the middle instead of there. So like it says, edit this screen, and then you can just edit the mock-up contents. Let's say you wanted that picture that we did there in the middle instead of this one. We'll just delete that off and then just stretch this out like that. There you go, a little bit more, and that's it, done. And then now you've just created a mock-up as well. And we use mock-ups all the time. I mean, look at my website here, you know, there's a mock-up right there. So that is not really on that screen. And that's, you know, that's just a standard photograph there where I've put the image on. So really cool for that. There we are. And that's the finished result. So you can kind of have it like that if you want to as well. But really easy. You don't need to be some sort of tech guru or anything to use this. And you don't need to be particularly good at design as such either. You can just start playing around and using their things to help. Then you've got elements as well. So if you want any kind of shapes on there, anything like that, you can then just click on here and change the color of it. Let's just put that as like a yellowy color or something like that. Put that down there like that. And then we can move it backwards again using the layers here. So we can just set it back behind there. You know, I mean, obviously this looks terrible, but I'm just kind of showing you what you can do here. It's really good. Let's just put that, let's put that over there like that. And we can twist it round as well. So we'll do that there, and it will click into the position that you want. Let's put it there like that. Maybe we want it a bit bigger, like that. And then we can stretch it out this way a little bit too. And then we'll move it back again. So let's just do that. Move it back, and now my logo's just there. So you can do all this kind of stuff, just the opacity of it as well. You know, just do this sort of thing. And then when you've got it exactly the way that you want it, I mean, you've got icons as well, by the way. All the social media icons are there as well. You can just dump them anywhere like this. So you can very quickly create graphics like the sort of things that I put on my social media like this, you know, very easy to do. These kind of mock-ups here look like this. Great for social media, really, really good for social media. You can also create your own images from scratch, which I really, really like. And then they've got these different color schemes all done for you as well. So if you haven't got your own branding or anything at the moment, or you don't want to use your own branding colors, you can just run over these and then it will just colorize everything to be like all of these different pre-configured color schemes too. You can upload your own images, and use those within your graphics that you create. And then you've got this big resize button here where you can custom resize the image. But if you want to just quickly take your perfect graphic that you've used for Facebook and now change it for, say, an Instagram post, just click resize and then it will do its magic, get it roughly right, and then you can just correct it going forward from there. So really, really good system. I highly recommend you check it out. Again, my affiliate link is in this post if you want to click through and find out about it that way. But I think you'll find it really useful if you are trying to create any social media graphics for your business, or you want to create graphics that go in amongst your website. So again, let's have a little look at mine. So things, these kind of images like this, anything like that, you can go and create it with this product and have like clear backgrounds and everything as well. So it's really, really good. Pricing wise, as I say, it's $9.95 a month, so extremely cheap. For that, you can have team members, you can folderize all of your different banners, you can have separate brands all set up as well if you've got multiple different businesses online. And you can resize everything, you can upload custom fonts, so any fonts that you use for your branding can be put up, and you get good fast support. And they're always adding new templates as well, so fair play to them for that. They do a really good job. I mean, look at these. These are LinkedIn post templates here. There you go. Absolutely tons of them. Really, really good and really quick and easy to edit and get going. And when you're online, you're doing stuff for yourself, it's all about speed and ease. And that's what makes you do this stuff and actually get things out there when you're not suffering from technical overwhelm and you just give up because it's just a nightmare to do. So I hope that helped. Pixelied is the name. My link is in the post. And thanks for watching. And if you've got any questions about it, by the way, feel free to just drop a comment underneath and I'll do my best to help out. All right, take care.